Okay, so let's talk about randomized block experiments. We were first exposed to them back in elementary school when we planted different seeds and put each of them in a different environment and compared their growth. A randomized block experiment is designed by dividing subjects into separate groups or blocks and then randomly assigning individual blocks different treatment conditions, and is widely used to study anything from growth of plants to field performance. Block assignments is the most important factor in randomized block experiments and is when subjects are assigned to blocks so that the variability within them varies less than the variability between them. For example, they can be split based on gender into male and female subgroups, like in this experiment, to see how students benefit from attending office hours. The goal is to block what can be blocked and randomize what cannot. One thing to keep in mind are nuisance factors, which are those that can have an effect on the results, but are not the primary factor of interest in an experiment, such as the student's major or their class schedule in this experiment shown. In analyzing results from randomized block experiments, randomized block design, or RBD tables, can be used and show how many factors are considered in the design, as well as the number of runs or trials completed. Particularly in engineering, for example, randomized block experiments can be used in field performance analysis by testing different types of cars with different types of fuels. So in this case, 4 different types of cars are chosen, meaning they were blocked based on vehicle, and each was tested using 7 different fuels. At the conclusion of the experiment, results will be analyzed to see which fuel performs best across the board, making the decision of which one to use very simple for the consumer.